Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about body surface area. So if you're tuned in, you are in for a treat. In this question, we have a formula. So let's get started. Give Biaxin for a child whose BSA is 0.55 meters square. The usual adult dose is 500 milligrams. Biaxin is available in an oral suspension. The 100 ml bottle is labeled 50 milligrams per ml. How many mLs would the nurse give per dose? So if we look here at our formula, which is child's BSA times usual adult dose divided by 1.7 meters square, is going to give us the child dose. Here we're just going to plug in our numbers. So if we go back to our question, the first thing we want to know is the child's BSA, which is indicated here, 0.55 meters square. So we're going to go here and we're going to put 0.55 meters square. And we want to multiply this by the usual adult dose. Okay, and if we go back to our formula, it says our usual adult dose is 500 milligrams. Okay, so we're going to times that by 500 milligrams. And we want to divide it by 1.7 meters square. Now remember guys that 1.7 meters square is just a standard. So this number here at the denominator is not going to change. All right. So when we do the math on this, we have 0.55 meters squared times 500 divided by 1.7 meters square is going to give us 161.76. Okay, so 161.76. And here is just the dose ordered. Now we have to do a second step to this. So our first step was finding out the BSA conversion. And then our second step is going to be to find out the child's actual dose. And we're going to do that by doing our dose over hand. Okay, so if you remember in one of the first slides that we created, we talked about dose over hand. So if you guys don't remember that, please go back to the dose over hand slide for review. So our dose that we have available or on hand is 50 milligrams per ml. That's what it's labeled, right? So we're going to divide this number by 50. Okay. And this is going to give us 3.236. Now, most of these problems are going to tell you to round. So remember your rounding rules. All right. So let's say it's telling us to round to the nearest 10th place. So we're going to look at our numbers in the 10th place. Look at the number next to it. And that is less than 5. So it's going to be 3.2 mLs. And that's your answer. Thank you everybody for tuning in. If you haven't followed us across all platforms, we're at TutorMeNurseRN on Instagram, TutorMeNurse on Facebook, and please don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.